Okay, identify the base and the exponent for the exponential expression. Let's start with question 8. It's the easiest one. The 2 is the base, the 3 is the exponent. Okay? If you had to work this out, it's a 2 times 2 times 2. There's the 3 of them. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Okay? So base and exponent. Right, let's have a look at some bit more complicated ones. If you look at question 6, okay, it looks very similar to question 7, but question 6, the 10x, because it's in parentheses, the whole of the 10x is the base, all right? The 12, still the exponent, okay? So there we go, that's the base, there's the exponent. But question 7, it's just the x that's the base, then the 12 is the exponent. The 10 has nothing to do with it. You would just multiply by 10 right at the end. Deal with your base and exponent first. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay? So the x here is just the base and the 5 is the exponent. Okay? So don't get those two mixed up. It kind of comes when you are doing calculating some things and you think, oh, you've got to multiply by 10. No. Multiply by 10 would be the last thing you do. Okay? So let's have a look at some more. Let's have a look at question 10 on here. Okay, question 10. Right, question 10. What's the base? The base is the -7. It's in the parentheses. That's the base. Okay, the exponent is 2. Okay, if you had to work it out, it's -7 times -7. Okay, which is positive 49. Remember, okay, -7 times -7 is positive 49. The base is -7. That's what's being squared. Now then. Question 9 might look very similar if I say -4 squared, but I should be saying -4 squared. This is 4 squared with a minus in front of it. The base is the 4, okay? That's the thing that's being squared. The minus is just something that's kind of stays around, okay? So 4 times 4 is 16, but it's -16. -4 squared written like this is -16 because the 4 is being squared. 4 is the base, then I write a minus in front, okay? Remember, in here, the -7 was the whole base, so it was the -7 I was squaring. The negative was part of the problem there. So if you look at question 11, continuation, what's the base? The base is just the x, okay? The exponent is the 2, okay? The -5 has nothing to do with it, okay? It's just something you would multiply by, a bit like question 7, really, okay? So base is x, exponent is 2. And finally, the last one, fairly straightforward, question 14. The one for this one is the base is the y, okay? So y is the base, and 14 is the exponent, okay? And that's how you do the base and the exponent for those, okay? Just be careful, okay? Remember what's the base, what's the exponent.